We are going to test the Decon8's Decon8. It's supposed to be really easy to use, effortless, so let's get into it. I can definitely smell it, so let's hope it works. So, my wheel cleaning mission is over. The Decon8 definitely does the job, and it does it really well. It's when you spray it on, but gradually turns purple, and I'm thinking, okay, that's clearly a sign that it's working. So, I think I was too excited, and I washed it off by a minute and a half, 2 minutes if that. Maybe I was a bit hasty, but it did the job anyway. Quick, easy to use. Give it a try, give it a try, give it a try.